In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I propagate Cuban oreganos. If you bought Cuban oreganos in the store, chances are it's not gonna be that bushy. So, if the plant reaches 6 inches tall, cut the uppermost leaves. This will encourage the plant to bush. And you're going to end up with this. We can already use the stems to produce another plant. Do not get woody stems because they have lower chances of growth. Trim lower leaves to prevent rot. Just put the cuttings in a container, then add water. After 1 to 2 weeks, it will grow roots. Once the roots are established, you can plant it in the soil. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider sharing this to your friends and hitting the like button. And if you have comments, suggestions, or thoughts, leave it in the comment section. Feel free to visit our Facebook page down in the description below. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe. This is Kashal, signing out.